on, go on, leave me breathless. Come on.
Making my way downtown, walking fast, faces pass and I'm homebound. Staring blankly ahead, just making my way through the crowd. And I need you, and I miss you, and now I wonder if I could fall into the sky. Do you think time would pass me by? 'Cause you know I'd walk 1,000 miles if I could just see you tonight.
Ano naman na kami? Ako,
Sige, kain.
Agaw gumising.
Magagalit siya. Eh, sinugod ako. Sige.
Kain na.
Standing beside you, wishing you'd always be close to me. And how can I tell you? Every night I see you in my dreams. Leave me, don't leave me. I would never let you go. Why do this have to be a fantasy? Let's make our love become reality. Oh, how I pray for that day to come, when we'll be joined together close as one. Together close as one. I feel the passion burning deep inside my soul, and you're the solution. I know you catch me if I fall. Leave me, don't leave me. I would never let you go. Why does this have to be a fantasy? Let's make our love become reality. Oh, how I pray for that day to come, when we'll be joined together close as one. Together as one. Together as one. Together as one. Together as one.
Ako nito ang siyang tunay na mangyari sa puso. Para bang nariyang ka pa sa aking tabi.
Happy birthday. Kantahan si Lolo, sigla niyo naman.
Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
totoong buhay na magkasama tayo.
Okay, thank you guys sa araw na to.
O, yan na.
O, palakpakan!
Okay, Dagi!
Ito na pa ang aming regalo!
Mami, ano? May brismin! Pinangangagat.
Kamusta lagi na tayo lagi nagkikita. Miss na kita sobra.
Oh, baka mamigay pa pa doon sa gilid na lang pati yan.
Walang kami nauna. Di ba pwedeng ipamuna akin ang pangamba.
Happy birthday, Lolo. Birthday.
Happy birthday, Lolo. Thank you sa pagturo sa pagdadrive. And more birthdays to ka. Love you.
Birthday, Lolo. Birthday sa Mambo. And I love you, po. Sana kumeta.
Birthday, Papa. Alam mo naman, love na love kita, di ba? Sana lagi kang bigyan ni Lord ng good health at lagi kang maging masaya. Love you!
Happy birthday, Lolo. I hope you live happy and long life para nung pinadala ka sa ibang lugar once na nagawin mo. I love you, Lolo.
Lolo, I love you.
Happy birthday, Papa. Yes, Christmas. The birthday, Pare.
Hi pa, happy birthday. Salamat sa pagiging good provider and tawag dito, puputingan mo sa aming mga magkakapatid. Happy birthday and more tagay to come.
Papa, anong birthday wish mo?
Sana kami ng mga
Happy in this life. In a world where everybody makes a happy ending story. It's the one who love can make the world go round. Yeah, don't let it bring you down. See your face into a frown. Get along with a little prayer and a song. Let me hear you sing it.
Happy na tayo, happy na. Oh, sige na jacket, sige na jacket.
Hanggang sa dulo ng mundo, hanggang maubos ang mo, hanggang gumulong ang luha, hanggang mahulog ang tala. Masdan mo aking mata, di mo ba nakikita? Ako ngayon hindi pa nasa nangita. Gusto mo ba sumama? Di mo na kailangan ng magtagot man.